With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is time period of a back performing SHM, that is simple harmonic motion, is 2 seconds. It can travel to and fro from the equilibrium position up to maximum 5 centimeter. At the start, the pendulum is at maximum displacement on the right side of the equilibrium position. Then the displacement and time relation. So the solution of this question is, we know that displacement in simple harmonic motion in SHM is expressed as x is equals to a sine omega t plus phi, and we have the time period t is equals to 2 pi divided by omega. So from this we get time is 2 seconds. So from this we can say that omega is 2 radian. 2 and 2 will cancel out. So we get this is pi radian per second. And we have the amplitude A is 5 centimeter, that is given to us. And we have the equation x is equals to 5 sine omega is pi t plus phi. And we have the displacement when at time t equals to 0. We have the displacement x is equals to 5 sine phi. So from this we can write here x is 5, maximum height is 5 here. So this is 5 is equals to 5 sine phi. So 5 and 5 cancel out. So we get sine phi is 1, and we know that sine 90 is 1. So from this we can say that phi is pi by 2. So now we can write here the equation of that expression for the displacement is, this is 5 sine pi by 2 and time is 2 seconds. So pi t, 2 and 2 will cancel out, and this is pi by 2. So from this we get x is equals to 5 sine, as sine 90 plus theta is converted into cos theta. So this is cos pi t, and this is the answer for the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.